Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the ShareX screen recorder for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the ShareX screen recorder for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of ShareX, since that's where we can download the app. So just search for this on your search bar. Make sure to enter it correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the ShareX app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download option right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will see the download options right here, but I want you to focus only on these three options: the setup, portable, and dev build. But let me explain each of them first so you will know the option that's best for you. So for the first option is the setup. So the setup is the easiest option. It installs ShareX on your computer like a regular app and creates shortcuts, so you can open it easily, basically just like any other app you install. This is the most common choice for users. Meanwhile, for the portable version, this one doesn't need installation. You can open it directly from a folder or USB drive, which is great if you use different computers. All your settings stay in the same folder, so nothing will be saved on your computer. And for the last one is the dev build. This is a testing version with new features, but it might have some bugs. This option is mainly for users who want to try the latest updates before they are officially released. Each of these options has its own purpose, so just select the one that fits your needs, but if you're still unsure, I recommend choosing the setup version since it's the easiest to install and use, so it's the best choice for most users. And after selecting, your ShareX app installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to agree to their terms and license agreement. So just select the accept option, and then click next to proceed. And after that, the installer will show you the location where your ShareX installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click browse and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click next once again. And then finally, for the last step, you can now click the install button to start installing the app. And after that, your ShareX will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you now have ShareX installed on your device, so you can now use it to take screenshots, record your screen, and easily share your captures. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.